Hello students, welcome to data structure course. Today's objective of today's lecture is we are going to see what is stack. What is stack data structure? Then we are going to study basic operations on stack data structure. Basic operations like create, push, pop, top, and is a empty and is empty. Then we are going to see ADT of stack data structure, abstract data type for stack data structure, and finally we are going to study applications of stack applications of stack data structure. So we will see this one by one. Now what is stack data structure? What is stack data structure? A stack is an order list, is an ordered list, or you can say it is a linear data structure in which all insertion and deletions are made at one end called the top end. So what we call that end? Top end. So definition of stack is an order list, or you can say linear data structure or linear data structure. Stack is an order list, or you can say linear data structure in which all insertions and deletions are made at one end called top end. What we call that end? Top end. So let's assume that this is what a stack where all the insertion are made by only top end and all the deletion also made by the top end only. Means whatever element we are going to insert into the stack, that is only through top end, and deletion also made by only top end. So let's take a small example. Suppose if you want to insert an element into the stack, that element is equal to 10. So that element is inserted through top end only. So here now your top end is pointing to this location, and you are going to insert that element here. Now let's insert another element, that is 20. So top will be incremented by one position, and again that insertion are made by top end only. So here comes your 20. Now your top goes to the next location. We are going to insert one more element, that is 55. That is 55. So first top will be incremented by one position, so top is equal to 55. Now top is pointing to this location. So this is what stack insertion operation. And deletion also performed by only one end, that is what top end. So now if you want to delete an element from this stack, so from where we are going to delete? From the top position. So at the top position, what we have? An element 55. So which element we will going to delete? 55. Since it is an order list, okay, so the element which we want to delete from the stack, that is delete through only top end, since it is an order list in which insertion and deletion are made at only one end. What is that end? That is top end. What is that end? That is top end. So whatever element we are going to insert inside the stack, that is through top ends only, and same whatever element we are going to delete from the stack, that is again from top end only. So first we insert an element, that is 10, then we insert 20, then we insert 55. So now your top is pointing to topmost element, that is 55. Now suppose if you want to delete an element from the stack, then top element will going to delete. Then top element will going to delete. So that is what? 55. That is what? 55. So 55 will be going to delete first. Top will be decremented by one position. Now top is pointing to index 20. Suppose if you want to delete one more element from this, then 20 will going to delete, and now you comes to element 10. So this is what? Stack data structure. This is what? Stack data structure.